If you've been holding off on buying a new camera because you're waiting for the Sony A7V, this video is for you. The A7V has been the talk of the photography and videography world, and the latest leaks give us a clear picture of what's coming. From a brand new sensor and next-level AI autofocus to oversampled 6K video and improved stabilization, Sony is gearing up to deliver one of its most balanced and powerful hybrid cameras yet. But here's the real question. Should you keep waiting, or is it finally time to make a move? Today, we're breaking down every major A7V leak, what it actually means for creators, and why for many of you, waiting might not be the smartest choice. Let's get into it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Sony A7 series has long been one of the most important camera lineups in the world of photography and videography, and now all eyes are turning to the upcoming Sony A7V. With each release, Sony has redefined what a full-frame mirrorless camera can achieve, pushing the limits of autofocus, image quality, video recording, and hybrid performance. The leaks surrounding the Sony A7V have sparked intense discussion among professionals, enthusiasts, and content creators alike, because this camera is shaping up to be one of the most significant updates in the series. What makes the situation even more interesting is that many people are stuck in a cycle of waiting, holding off on purchasing a camera because they think the A7V will be the ultimate solution. The truth, as the leaks suggest, is much more nuanced, and that is exactly why this discussion is so important. If you have been delaying your decision, the Sony A7V leaks finally give us enough insight to explain what is coming, what you can realistically expect, and why in many cases it might be smarter to stop waiting and start shooting. The history of the Sony A7 line is important to understand before diving into the A7V. When Sony introduced the original A7, it was the beginning of a revolution. Full-frame mirrorless was a risky move at the time, but Sony's vision quickly gained momentum, attracting both professionals looking for lighter gear and enthusiasts who wanted access to full-frame image quality without the size of bulky DSLRs. Each generation refined the concept, adding better autofocus, improved ergonomics, higher resolution sensors, and more advanced video features. The A7 III became a breakout success, often described as the basic model that wasn't basic at all, and it pushed countless photographers and filmmakers to switch to Sony. Then the A7 IV raised the bar again with a more powerful sensor, faster processing, advanced subject recognition autofocus, and a hybrid feature set that made it appealing to both photographers and videographers. Now the A7V is rumored to take everything further, incorporating some of the most advanced technology Sony has developed in its flagship Alpha 1 and A7RV cameras while keeping the price at a more approachable level. According to leaks, the Sony A7V is expected to feature a new sensor that balances speed, resolution, and dynamic range in a way that caters perfectly to hybrid shooters. The resolution is rumored to be around 33 to 36 megapixels, slightly higher than the A7 IV, but not as extreme as the 61 megapixel A7RV. This sweet spot makes sense because it allows for detailed stills, excellent cropping flexibility, and 6K oversampled video downsampling to 4K, which would deliver the sharpest footage possible. Paired with Sony's next-generation Bion's XR processor and AI-powered autofocus algorithms, the A7